We tried. Real quick before we head in, I want y'all to see how fucked up this is. My man leaves his garage door open. I can't believe you, bro. From East Oakland, you live this comfortable, bro? Keenan, bro. Keenan. Man from the 30s. Keenan. What's up, dog? Keenan. Keenan. What's up, man? Bro, why the fuck do you have this in here, bro?
Hey, for any of the 49er fans, you feel me? Next year, when the 49ers go to the Super Bowl, this motherfucker's gonna put the sale. So, run the number up, you feel me? Post up a number, man. Y'all see Levi Stadium. Y'all know where the Niners play at. It's for the Niner folks.
Bro, how the fuck did you even do that, bro?
Bitch, don't check me, check that motherfucker back too, you know what I'm saying?
You feel me? Had to pop back out real quick.
Hey, it's still lit. We've been going all day, boy. All we doing
Had to pop back out. Bruh, my shit in the tree. I just lost my drone, bruh.
I saw
that
it.
shit stuck in the tree, bruh.
It's in the
My drone is in the tree, bruh. Dog, my shit is in the tree, bruh. What the fuck? Hey, you see that shit, bruh? Shut your ass up. It's embarrassing.
And bitch, don't check me, check that motherfucker
What you doing
back
inside
too,
here?
you
You
know
supposed to be on top of the fucking shit.
Numbers.
This fool.
OPM. Check.
I'm ready.
Check that motherfucker back
outside?
too, you know what I'm saying? Numbers. OPM. Check. Jet lag. Let me go right here. TL.
What the fuck is that?
Ah, we good.
This is not, that felt like another bird shit. How much shit just hit me?
It's setting up right for Keenan. Right for Keenan.
What are you doing, yo?
This is right. Oh, yeah? It's setting up right for the boy. Yes, sir.